What are exactly the standard streams if there's no terminal console window open for the Python interpreter? Under Ubuntu Desktop, Unity, when a script marked as executable and then I click on the file, I get pop-up window like the one here in the image. Pyscript.py is an executable Python script file with a shebang, hashtag, usr event Python, where usr event Python is the path to the Python interpreter. Since I'm not running this process in a terminal window, because I just clicked run, I thought initially there would be no standard streams for the process. As I experimented more, I realized all the standard streams are available. Pyscript.py. Output.txt. Which raises the question, there's no terminal window running in the background, what are system.stout, stdin and str connected to? Technically, running Python without console window under Windows with .pyw, I get the same output. Take a look at this question, python.exe or python.exe. One answer states the following. Standard streams system.stdin, system.stout and system.str are not available. The emphasis that standard streams are not available doesn't seem to be true when I test this with Python 2.7 in Windows 10 by clicking the .pyw file, though. In the Windows registry, .pyw files are associated with Python 2.x, which runs python.exe in my machine. This question is a Unix Windows jumble.
As others mentioned, the question is not Python specific. When a process is spawned, it's the parent's duty to set the child's file descriptors, or to allow them to be inherited. So, this is not even OS specific, but actually application specific. For example, you might have a different answer for GNOME and KDE. Or when executing the file from within Windows Explorer or 7-zip, I think, I know how this works on Unix, not so sure on Windows. Different applications spawning the process might be making different arrangements. On Linux, you can find out by running lsof on the Python process, which will list the open files and tell you where exactly your stout is going. Here's your code, change to do just that. Only the last line is actually important. See the output for a normal run. And when redirecting the output to a file. See that the file number 1 has changed? Same will happen when you run it from Unity, telling you where that is going. I didn't exactly reproduce your problem, as my GNOME 3 file manager won't run scripts like that and I'd not look into it, but I'm curious to know where yours goes.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking